Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best desk heaters. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the desk heaters in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best desk heaters on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Baby Exo desk heater. How cute is this desk heater? We fell in love with its charming design, reminiscent of a vintage radio the moment we saw it. But what really won us over was its long list of features. You can toggle between 3 adjustable settings, 1000 watts, 500 watts, or a plain fan, to get just the right level of heat. It warms up quickly and comes with a timer you can set between 1 and 3 hours. Otherwise, it shuts off automatically after 6. It also turns itself off automatically if it's tipped over and features overheat protection too. Even at the highest setting, you can barely hear it, so if you're sensitive to noise, this is a desk heater worth having around. At less than $30, this is a budget-friendly gift for a colleague who's always complaining how cold it is at the office. It's compact enough to fit anywhere, and it will look downright adorable on a desktop. Number 9. Vornado Velocity Desk Heater. The Vornado Heat is another exception to the rule that desk heaters are clunky. The standout feature is its distinctive design, a decidedly retro body made completely of metal. It's sturdy and sophisticated, and with 3 color options, you can find a version that complements your office style. While we wish it had more settings, the 2 heating modes should offer sufficient flexibility for most people. You can pivot the head to direct the warmth exactly where you want it. It also uses less energy than many other desk heaters, which should offer peace of mind that you won't have a huge surprise when the energy bill arrives. This desk heater would make the perfect gift for someone who's obsessed with vintage design. After all, it was inspired by the iconic Vornadofon from the 1940s. You won't regret picking one up for yourself either. Coming at number 8, Comfort Zone CCZ 600 Baseboard Space Heater. Baseboard heaters are in many houses and apartments, notable for producing hot air up from along the base of a wall to counteract a drafty window or cold along perimeter walls, since hot air rises. If you're looking to apply that same principle to your chilly workplace, this portable baseboard heater is ideal to line any office wall or place under a desk, trapping all the hot air underneath. Featuring adjustable temperature dials, the Comfort Zone baseboard heater is one of the quietest on this list, but still delivers powerful warmth. It features hardy end panels and a safety switch that cuts the power if you accidentally knock it over. You can also switch between a powerful 1500 watt mode and a more energy-efficient 750 watt setting depending on how much heat you need and your concerns about a high electricity bill. Coming at number 7. Cozy Products Toasty Toes Ergonomic Heated Footrest. If your workspace has the kind of drafty floorboards that leave you with cold feet, then you need a desk heater that truly targets those frigid extremities without squandering that precious warmth elsewhere. The Toasty Toes does exactly that, fitting neatly under your desk to provide a heated surface to rest your weary, wintry feet. In an effort to maximize this footrest's comfort, Cozy Products made it adjustable between 3 different angles. You can even stand it up vertically to turn it into a flat panel heater. You can switch between 2 different heat settings using the dial. It also uses only 105 watts, so you won't see a huge spike in your energy bill if you regularly have the heater on all day. The downsides? The dial is on the footrest itself, so you will have to reach under your desk to adjust it. And it's not designed to bear lots of weight, so it's not the ideal option if you work at a standing desk. Number 6. Trustec 2-in-1 Cooler and Heater. Goldilocks, eat your heart out. This dual-purpose heater and cooler can make your workspace just right, whether you're sweltering in the summer or frigid in the winter. It features a powerful but relatively quiet fan that generates a focus-inducing white noise, along with a forced air system that heats or cools that space as needed. Offering high and low settings for both the heating and cooling functions, this system is also adjustable, able to tilt between 0 and 45 degrees. You can get the blast of warm or cool air right where you need it with this gadget. The only major thing to note is the smell. It has a slight aroma that makes you think something's burning when you first turn it on, so it's probably best not to start it up in too confined of a workspace. It goes away with time, though. If you're looking for a gift for an office worker who is always complaining about the temp, put this option at the top of your shopping list. Coming in at number 5, Drio Atom 1 Desk Heater. If you want balmy heat circulating all around you as you work, check out the Drio Atom 1 Space Heater. Its defining feature is that it can rotate 70 degrees, blanketing your desktop. You can also choose to use it on the floor if you're looking to warm up cold toes. Speaking of warmth, you've got options with this desk heater. The digital thermostat is adjustable in 1-degree increments up to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can set the perfect climate for your comfort level. That level of precision can also help you save money on energy bills. With a brushless DC motor and 9 aerodynamic blades, this desk heater delivers a smooth, quiet blast of heat the moment you turn it on. It also features a washable, detachable air filter to keep dust and lint at bay. It's almost hard to believe you get so many features in a product that clocks in at less than 4 pounds. Coming at number 4, Vitalis Mini Electric Ceramic Space Heater. If the simple, functional design of the other heaters so far has bummed you out, this portable desk heater's retro vibes might be more your style. Its mid-60s futurist shape is paired with a handy carrying handle, making it easier to move from place to place. But beyond its clever design are some great heating and safety features too. Not only does the Vitalis Space Heater feature a temperature-adjusting dial that lets users choose between cool air, 400-watt heat, and 800-watt heat, it's designed with safe heating in mind. While many heaters have an anti-tip sensor, the Vitalis takes it a step further by pairing the typical automatic shutoff with an audible alarm to instantly inform you when the heater is tipped or tilted. This desk heater also monitors temperature and automatically shuts off when it senses the risk of overheating or it's been on for 8 hours. There are a couple of downsides to be aware of, though. The silicone anti-slip pads on the legs have a tendency to pop off, although you can easily pop them back in, just don't lose them. And the power cord is only about 3 feet long, so you'll need to keep it fairly close to a power outlet. With a fun design, ample heating and cooling, and decent safety features, this desk heater is a great gift for your perpetually cold friend who refuses to sacrifice style for comfort. Number 3. Essential Portable Space Heater. When it comes to portability and storability, it doesn't get more convenient than the Essential Portable Space Heater. It can fold flat when not in use, making it easy to carry and even easier to tuck away for good when warmer weather arrives. When you're using it, simply unfold it in front of you on a curve so its radiating panels can envelop you in heat. Another advantage of this Essential is its multiple heat levels. You can easily toggle between them and set a timer to automatically turn the device off using its convenient remote controller. It can stay on for up to 9 hours at a time, just in case you're pulling overtime. Just know that it doesn't put out as much heat as some of the more robust models here. If you want the entire area under your desk to fill with radiant warmth, this is the desk heater to get. We also think it could be a thoughtful gift for a grandparent who wants to be a little extra cozy when watching a movie or reading on the couch. Coming at number 2, Amazon Basics 500-watt ceramic desk heater. Amazon Basics never lets us down when we're looking for a reliable, no-frills product with an affordable price tag. Case in point, the brand's 500-watt ceramic space heater. At a mere 6 inches high and less than 1.5 pounds in weight, it's extremely portable and easy to fit into most workspaces. It also sports a built-in safety feature, a button on the bottom. When the heater is upright and the button is pushed in by the floor, or whatever surface it's on, it will stay on. But if the heater tips over and the button isn't being pressed in by anything, it will cut the connection, turning the heater off and reducing the fire risk. And that's extra important here, as one of the downsides of the Amazon Basics heater is that its front metal grating can get very hot very quickly, so you have to avoid direct contact. That, plus a lack of temperature control, is what makes this affordable heater one that you should only strongly consider if price is your key consideration. All in all, we think the pros outweigh the cons of this desk heater for someone on a tight budget. Just say it with us again. Avoid placing the front grate directly up against anything. Number 1. Lasko MyHeat Desk Heater. At first glance, the Lasko MyHeat may not look like much. Its small size and even smaller vent seem to suggest from the outset that it won't provide much warmth. So how does this little heater take our best overall spot? Well, looks can be deceiving. We've tried the Lasko MySpace heater and found that this compact little number punches well above its weight. A simple flick of its on-off switch provides near-instant heat from the vent, perfect for taking away the morning chill. More importantly, its heat is warming but not overbearing, meaning you get relief from the cold at your desk without any risk of overheating or the dreaded pit stain. Its compact size makes it unobtrusive and easy to position, so you can target a specific area. We also love that it comes in 4 attractive colors, whether you want something basic, like black or white, or a pop of blue or purple for your desktop. Better yet, since the body of the Lasko heater is not at all hot to the touch, it's also extremely easy to reposition without having to switch it off or risk singed fingertips. The only downside? The heat isn't adjustable, but that's a flaw we can look past, given the relatively low price tag and ease of use. When it comes to quick, comfortable heat at your desk, this remarkably affordable heater is an example of how great things can sometimes come in unassuming packages. In addition to being a great desk heater for a professional, it could be a worthwhile gift for a college student whose dorm room is chilly. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best desk heaters. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.